However, as has been given our indicators, we so much want our people to consume the ideas, to consume the plans, and to recognize this march on to progress, that we have simplified the document to a point that you can find your space and how it impacts you directly, even outside of how it can impact you in generality. And so one of those areas we want to speak to is the security forces, and this is our way of thanking those security forces, JCF and the JDF, for their contribution and for their success in recent times in assisting in the benefits of the reduction in criminal activity. These persons, we say, under the People's National Party government, the members of the JCF and the JDF will receive priority in some of our rent-to-own housing schemes that will be developed. Additionally, police officers and JDF officers, JDF individuals wishing to be qualified in a particular area for promotion will receive grants and scholarships to pursue the necessary qualifications. Security force personnel will receive a reviewed health insurance coverage to include also the psychological demands of the job. We will undertake to review the life insurance paid to security force personnel killed in the line of duty to up to $20 million and ensure that insurance and pension benefits are paid over no later than 6 months after a tragic event. We will prioritize the consideration of police applications for firearm approval through the firearm approval process, especially for active police officers. We will remove the tax and overtime pay, even as we have already removed the tax on up to $3.5 million as the new threshold. So therefore, for most police officers, they will not have to pay any taxes. And for those who go up to $6 million due to overtime, they too will find relief. For senior citizens, to whom we're grateful for the nation that they have contributed to create, we'll establish a national health insurance card for senior citizens over 65. This will not only cover drugs, but also cover diagnostics, doctor's visit, surgery, and as well medication. But the march to a national health insurance isn't reserved only to those over 65. We will also give full health coverage to those 0 to 18, i.e. children. So children 0 to 18 will be covered with a health card that will cover diagnostics, doctor's visits, medication, surgery, hospital stay, as well as certain autistic interventions and disability interventions moving forward. For the senior citizens, we will focus on the mobilization of senior citizens with skills and expertise to help drive national development at the community level through the National Seniors Service located within the National Institute of Volunteerism.